farmer to make an informed decision. Now Bipul Singh will explain that more detail about that mobile application website.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Vipul Singh, and now I'll be giving you a walkthrough about our project. So this is basically a smart agricultural marketplace for the farmers of Mizoram, which is a MERN-based platform. So here, what are we doing? We are connecting the farmers of Mizoram to the multiple sellers, and where on our platform they can search for product, they can compare it, and they can order high quality seeds, fertilizer, pesticide, and other farming related equipment all at one place. So one of the key feature which we are providing in this website is AI powered chatbot. So what it is doing is that it supports basically 4 languages: English, Mizo, Hindi and Nepali, and it will be answering the general farming related queries of the farmer. And then as my friend told, that this website is also a marketplace. So instead of going and searching for a product, someone can directly ask for a product through the AI chatbot, and it will be showing the relevant result inside the chat. So then the user can compare the prices provided by the various sellers, and then they can order that product. So for payment, for online payment, we have integrated the Razorpay, and we are also accepting the cash on delivery. And for the reliable delivery and tracking, we have integrated the Shiprocket in it, so that we can deliver in any remote location of the Mizoram. Now if I talk about another really important feature of our website, which is an information section. So here what we are doing, we are providing the latest technology that are being used in the agricultural sector, the latest farming schemes from the state and the central government, the various insurance, the various loans that are provided by banks at very, very low interest to the farmers, so that they can be up to date with the latest news and they can make their decision accordingly. Now if I talk about the seller section, so seller will have access of their personal dashboard, where they can basically manage their inventory, they can track their order and various other activity, and there will be also super admin who will be managing the overall platform. Now if I talk about the IoT device, so if some farmer purchases our IoT device, so he will be getting a special access to our IoT device dashboard, where the IoT devices will be installed in their particular farm, and the data will be extracted for that particular field, and our model will be evaluating the result, various results like nitrogen and irrigation, humidity, etc., and giving the suggestion, and then farmer can do actions on it, like the farm need fertilizer or irrigation, etc. So overall this platform bridges the gap between fill the gap of availability of a marketplace and provide advanced farming techniques. Now the above will be giving you a brief idea about the impact of this project on the society.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhay Singh. I will briefly talk about the impact of our solution on the agricultural sector.